just popping in with a quick haul today. I've got a few orders that have been building up on my desk, so I wanted to share all of them. This first one is from Villa Beautiful. This is from her most recent Valentine's Day release. This pen is called Heartbreaker, and this is the crystal mix. Come on, focus. There we go. And this one sold out like pretty quickly, I think. This is Passion. Here are the crystals for this one. And then this one is called Cupid's Arrow, and I think this one is my favorite from this release. I'm just a really big fan of the all black barrel and the hardware, and then I love the sequins that she mixed in. And these are all, if you go into the Villa Beautiful Facebook group, she has a photo album in the group where you can see the comparisons from different pens if you're curious about like color comparisons and crystals and all of that. So pretty handy little guide. Next up, I have an order from Fox and Pip. First freebie is this one. I believe this one came with all orders. And then the second one is the Pipsqueak freebie, which you had to enter a special code in the notes to seller. And this is a collaboration with Marg of Once More with Love. And then for my order, I got the Na Quote Bubble change sheets. 2 of the Baseball Boys sheets because the baseball season's about to start here. And then the sheet of Let's Go Shopping. 'Tis the Season, which this is so adorable. It's got all of your big seasonal and holiday activities on there. And then she also had a drop-down option where you could pick if you wanted individual sheets. So I got one of the donut floaties because I actually have one of these floaties, so that's kind of perfect. And then I got 2 of the homework sheets. I got it in gray and in pink. And then this one is so hilarious. This is Planner People Be Like, which is definitely me anytime I get a shipping notification from my favorite shops, just sitting right out there parked and waiting. And then the Cheers sheet, which is an updated version of an old sheet that she has, which I still have in my collection and love, but this one has her new style of drawing. And then I got the bow tissue sheet to mark sick days. Next up, I have a couple of orders from my newest addiction. This is my first journaling card, which is so pretty. And then my order came with a few freebies. So we've got this little luggage die cut and a stacked bow bookmark die cut. I believe this one is on sticker paper, maybe? I think so. And then I picked up one of her new sticky note designs. This has the rose gold foil on it with the signature M&A bow. And I picked up her bundle of all of the different washi tapes that she released, and I will roll those out. So first up, we have this one. I believe it's called Feelin' Cute, which matches the June monthly kit that she has and the weekly kit Feelin' Cute. So great to coordinate with those or anywhere else you want a really pretty pop of florals. Then we've got the gold foiled M&A bows. And here's the next one. It's another skinny size, and this one has gold foiled beauty products and eyelashes and hearts. Really pretty. And this next one is my favorite of the 3. It has like her signature foil pattern of all of the confetti dots and hearts and stars and bows. Like how genius to just put that on washi so you can match it with everything. I love this, and I'm really hoping that soon she'll have even more colors available with this one. And thankfully my ninja fingers were working the day she had her sticker album release. I was able to grab 2. So this first one is gold foiled, that bow life. So you've got the quote on this side, and then the back has this really nice bow pattern. And the second one has the bow pattern in gold foil, and this one matches the Quiet Afternoon kit that she released. It's just so pretty. Isn't that mesmerizing? I love a good foil wiggle. And I grabbed the Tropical Vibes re-release. This one has gold foil, comes with your date dots. These are the full boxes. Let's just get that foil on there because hello, that's beautiful. And then we've got the half boxes and quarter boxes and a little bit of deco. And then the washi and the date covers. This is so perfect for summer. Next up is the Quiet Afternoon kit. This one has rose gold foil and it matches this one so perfectly, this album over here. So here are the full boxes. Oh, that looks so cozy. I love this box right here too. And then these are the half and quarter boxes and deco. And then the washi strips and the date covers. This lighting is like really good for foil right now. I'm digging that. And next up is Plant Mom. This one has gold foil. These are the full boxes. Like this is super on trend right now. Love that. The half and quarter boxes and deco. And then the date covers and washi. And then I had to grab this version of the Sunday Goals kit because this is a re-release again, but the time that I ordered it didn't have the girl box. So I'm really excited to have the girl box because that's one of my favorite boxes she's ever done. I have the notepad she released with that art on it. So yeah, I'm really glad to be able to add this to my kit collection. And then we've got the half boxes, quarter boxes, and deco. And then the really pretty bobby pins for the bottom washi, and then the date covers. And then I picked up these mini month tabs. I just got white background with gold foiling, but make sure you check the drop downs because she has some amazing options in there for those. Oops. And then I got the contact sheet. And then 2 of the laptop girls because she updated the foiling on those and added little bows in their hair and the hearts on the laptop. So I got gold and rose gold. And then I went ahead and got a March monthly kit. I grabbed the EC version since I'm using the deluxe monthly this year. So this is your EC edition with the deco. She also has a functional one with checklist and things like that available. And then this is the sheet that has your boxes, and it has the holidays printed right on the boxes. And then you also get this foiled sheet with the different days. So you can put it as a Sunday start, a Monday start, however you need it to be laid out, and then a few icons and labels. And then you also get the matching date dots. And I wasn't patient enough. I went ahead and laid down February already before I could do the haul because it was taking me forever to, get this filmed, but I wanted to lay this down. Isn't this so pretty? Like, I'm really loving the EC for monthly planning right now. I think it looks so good in here, especially with all of these beautiful kits. Like, this is only M&A on this page, on these pages right now. I haven't added any kind of additional washi or deco or anything, and I think it looks just gorgeous already. I do not want to write on it. That's how good it looks. And this is the card that I got with my second order. And this was the freebie die cut that came with this order. And then I picked up her sheet of holidays, and again, you can pick your own foiling and background. I stick with a very basic white with gold, or white with light gold. That's my go-to. And then I grabbed her Outlander kit. Of course, y'all, I am so excited. I just watched the first episode last night, and I'm so glad it's back. So this one has gold foiling. Here are the full boxes. So pretty. I love the way she put this together. And then the half and quarter boxes and deco, and she's added some more deco down there at the bottom. And then the washi strips and date covers. So since this week was Valentine's Day week, I am going to use this for next week. And then I grabbed some of her heart icons. This is the money and budgeting, and I'll zoom in right there so you can see the different icons. And then this one is amazing. Like, I love this sheet. It's the different shopping icons. You've got Etsy and Amazon, Target, a shopping bag, an open box, and a letter. So got all your basics covered, and then some generals so you can just add where you need to. I thought those were so cute. I need to go pick up some in rose gold as well for these. And my last order is from Bath & Body Works, which, yes, I realize has nothing to do with planning, but I thought it was really cute, so I wanted to share. This is the new wallflower I picked up to go here in my craft room. I thought that was adorable. And they were having a really good wallflower sale, so I picked up a double pack of the Waikiki Beach Coconuts. And then In the Stars and Champagne Toast. And then one of the Strawberry Pound Cakes. And I also grabbed the hand cream and the strawberry pound cake. And then they were doing this promotion where if you entered a code, you got this entire little bundle for free. So it came with a wallflower plug and 2 wallflowers. This one is linen and lavender, and this one is rosewater and ivy. So I thought that was a really good deal. So these 3 were free, and all these that I ordered, and then I think all of these were discounted. So it's a pretty good sale going on there. I love catching those. And I'm going to go pick one of these and plug this in because it is too cute.